Hi guys, and welcome back on our Kuba Design YouTube channel. Today is a short daily video about our manufactured parts, and we're gonna review the LED lights for front AMG bumpers add-ons, also called as the front lip spoiler. It's a short one because also exists the longer one. It's a Brabus part, but now we see it's not carbon but fiberglass because our customer wanted to paint it in the car's color to match it. And let's take a closer view on our Noldins. Well, we don't manufacture them, but we got a supplier. They are original for the 6 pieces, and if the front lip spoiler is for the 5 pieces, we adjust it for the 5 ones. It's very slightly easy combines, assembles. So when we take this chrome part here, it's a little frame, and then into this we install the LED light. So it should look like that, all the 5 pieces. Because also when we talk about the longer front lip spoiler, it has 6 pieces here. So it's been sold only 6 things, 6 pieces, and needs to be adjusted. These chrome pieces also could be painted into black matte or black glass, because maybe some customer doesn't like the chrome at all. And it comes also with the all electronic boxes inside, with the instructions, wiring, etc. So qualitative, without any issues, without any burnt, because if you buy the aftermarket, like I don't know, from maybe China or in other countries, very cheap production, they can burn once you install them. So please buy qualitative materials from our Kuba Design store. Stay tuned, hope you like it. Stay safe.